Today I'm going to be reviewing OPPKEPT's shark clips with bungee cords. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Lots of uses for these. Now they first put them out there like you could use it for a tarp to make it more taut and also bring to the ground with a stake. I'm going to show you what we get. 8 of these, which has the shark clips. It also has a little loop on the back. So many things. You can actually clamp this onto a tarp and then add one of these to the other end. Let me show you what that looks like just on a shirt. So what you can do here, you can see this is how you tighten it down with this. So you can pull it like this, and then on the other end, you attach the bungee cord. And here, as you can see, you push it through, you can put this end down and pull it taut with a stake. Plenty of other uses, and I'll throw some pictures up of what they have. You can use these for chip clips. You can just use the bungee cords to wrap things around, just loop it around stuff, and it connects on the other end and tightens. This gets 4.3 stars on Amazon, about 164 reviews. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.